Hey guys, happy Thursday. Alright, so we're going to go through our math work today. Remember, if you need to, you can pause the video to work on any of the problems, or you can go back through the PowerPoint after I'm done and you can do them in there, okay? And anytime you can do this work on a separate sheet of paper if you don't have the printouts. Alright, so this first part is just the number talk, okay? So I'm just going to walk through this with you. Alright, so this first time on a separate sheet of paper, I want you to write how many dots you have here. Remember, these are 10 frames, so what can you count the full ones by? 10, okay? Pause the video and count these, and then when you're done, hit play. All right, let's go to the next one. Pause the video. All right. So this is our vocabulary for the week. Remember, we've been working on all of this stuff all week long. So we've been counting on and counting back. We've been using number lines. Yesterday, we talked about using doubles. We've drawn a picture to do addition and subtraction. And these are the words that we're looking for in word problems to tell us if we're adding or if we're subtracting, okay? All right, so today we're just going to do more practice with doubles, all right? If you need to remind yourself of the doubles, you can go back and watch the video I put in the PowerPoint from yesterday. Okay, so that video is going to go through, it's a song about all the doubles. On a separate sheet of paper, I want you to practice these three problems. All right, so I'm going to work out one with you, and then I want you to do the rest. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is find the doubles in my problem. So I'm going to start with this one. 3 plus 3 plus 2. Well, I see 3 and 3. That's my doubles. What is 3 plus 3? That's right, it's 6. So is my answer 6? Am I done? Nope, I got to make sure I go back and I add my 2. So then I have 6 plus 2. So you can use any strategy to solve this. I'm going to put 6 in my head and count on 2. So I have 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I know the answer to 3 plus 2 is the same, which is 8. All right? I could have drawn a picture to figure out 6 plus 2 as well. I could have drawn 6 circles and then 2 more and counted them all together. Because remember, adding is all together. All right, I want you guys to work on 4 plus 2 plus 4, and then 1 plus 6 plus 6 by yourself, okay? You can do this on a separate sheet of paper. You can pause the video now so you can work on it. And when you're done, hit play. So here's our word problem today, all right? So we're going to work through it together, but I want you to practice on another sheet of paper, okay? So I'm going to read it to you. London went to the store. She got 3 shirts, 4 pants, and 4 dresses. I want to know how many clothes did she get in all. Okay, so if I'm doing in all, is that addition or subtraction? I know I need to add to figure this one out. Okay, so I'm going to add. What am I adding? Yeah, I'm going to add the clothes she got. So I'm going to add the 3 shirts plus the 4 pants plus the 4 dresses, okay? I see a doubles in this. Do you see that? The 4 and the 4? Yeah, so I want you today to try and figure this one out by yourself, okay? So you can use the double strategy. You can draw a picture. So maybe you draw your 3 shirts, 4 pants, and 4 dresses, and then count them all together, okay? You can pick your strategy. Do it on a separate sheet of paper and send it to your teacher so she can see. All right, and then when you're done, you're going to work on some more addition and subtraction fact practice, okay? Today we're adding and subtracting 3. Remember, these 2 sheets should be in the work pack your teacher sent out that you can print. If you don't have them, though, that's okay. You can do them on a separate sheet of paper. Just write them down as you go, okay? All right, if you have any questions about this today, make sure you ask your teacher. Have a great day. Bye.